Welcome back to Touring and Trails. Today, we're exploring Palo Duro Canyon. Got a good one for you. Stop. Let's see what the damage is. The 44 gallons, 3646. 429 a gallon. About the cheapest I've seen it. Ran about 200 miles, not too bad. So let's see how the Jeep did with some gas. Did it take all your money? Huh? Did it take all your money?
Sure did.
50 bucks.
Yep.
1163. How was your gas gauge, Matt?
Quarter tank.
Quarter tank. Okay. Good to know. Good to know. How's it going? Everything going good with it? Excellent.
I got at least 200 miles.
Okay. Well, it's 104 degrees out here, so it's a little sweat, but damn.
Not inside, I wasn't.
Excellent. Excellent. He's not with us, but we got a trail boss out here with the rooftop tent. Just talked to the guy, said he's heading to Colorado too. Getting the hell away from this heat. Got a Rubicon back there. Got a Miss Dee Dee there. It's almost hot outside.
Oh, hot. Almost hot.
So, yeah, that's how we got packed this time. Everything. Even a blender. Wonder what we have that for. We'll see. All right, Miss Dee Dee, we've made it to our first stop. Palo Duro Canyon State Park.
Right.
I don't know what to expect other than I do know it's 101 degrees, so it might be a little warm night.
Yes.
But I'm gonna say I've never been here. I think I went here when I was a kid and I don't really remember it, so I have no idea what to really expect of this place. But initially it's looking pretty cool. I know you're just seeing a bandana and Miss Dee Dee's visor on hanging down, but it looks pretty cool. So let's dig in and see what we got. Check this out. Who'd have thought this is in Texas? This is amazing. Wow. This is beautiful. I've been to the Grand Canyon. Grand Canyon will take your breath away because it's absolutely amazing. I didn't know what to really expect here, but so got a little visitor center over there. You've got some plaques telling you kind of how far all these things are. So Lighthouse and Castle Peak, that's all 3 miles out. Huge. Prairie Dog Fortress, Goodnight Peak, Brushy Draw, Brushy Butt. What? What? Did he say butt? That's pretty freaking awesome. Pretty cool, huh?
Yep.
Is it like you remember?
I don't remember it at all.
Who'd have thought that something like this is in Texas, though?
Isn't that neat?
It's amazing.
I'll tell you when we get to the campsite, if I see this picture of it,
That's what you remember. A little windy. Good luck keeping the tent set up. So today we start our overlanding week-long adventure, and because of you and your comments, we decided we're going to take the 2022 Ford Ranger trimmer, but we also have the Jeep Willys with us, so we brought over along the whole team. And you can see beautiful backdrop. Got the tent set up, got both of them ready to go. We're going to explore this place and see what all is out here, because I've never really been here before that I can remember. And then we're going to get some food going. Alright, so got the Blue Eddy setup going with the beautiful Jeep Willys. Got the nice fridge. Got the EB55 700 watt big bad power station going. Water, got all the essentials. Got a roto pack on it, 2 gallons, because you can see that's all you can fit. That's it. Yeah, nice setup. And with the trimmer, I decided to bring everything in my house. So I've got loaded to the max out back. Got the hobo freight sucking up some energy from the sun. Along with the jackery and the fridge going. Got all kinds of good food. We're going to be eating like kings this week. Captain Jack Elvis. So, my gosh, conversations get weird when you're drinking a frozen concoction that helps me hang on, but still, it's still 104 out here. But you know what? Look, I'm not even sweating because there's no humidity. We're lucky to have shade. Sorry to swing you around like that, but anyhow, yeah, just having a good time with the family, and they're patiently, so patiently, and waiting for the sizzle. As long as there's margaritas, yes. Not bad for camp food. You're not going to find that in a can. Let's see what we got. Don't look too bad.
Oh, it's delicious.
It's great. Delicious.
Absolutely delicious.
All right, better than Mountain House tonight, because we don't know what we're getting after this. All right, chef's getting hungry. Big boy's hungry, so we got to go get my plate. Folks, how was day one?
Great. Perfect.
So, my compliments to the provider of happiness.
And our
That was great. Excuse me.
Outstanding.
Got it going down the wrong pipe, so.
And I made them.
Yes, she is the
barista.
Barista, or the, what we call in my world, the blender operator.
Right.
But Palo Duro, I give it a thumbs up for sure. Yeah. This is great.
Yeah.
If you have a chance, come out and check it out, because once again, 102. We saw up to 107 today, but when we got here, it's about 102. And as long as you can find some shade, it's not bad. You're not going to sweat too much. Tents are on nice level ground. We had a great meal. There's running water out here. Picnic table. You can't ask for anything more. And the most beautiful scenery you can find in Texas. Maybe second to Big Bend, maybe not. I don't know. So tomorrow, where do we go? Who knows? I'm hoping we're going to find a cooler climate. Anyhow, until then, we will see you down the road.